If you're the kind of traveler that's looking for a deeper, more authentic travel experience, you need to see the Nomadic Network's itinerary for their group trip to Turkey. This tour showcases Turkey's varied culture and takes you to places that travelers don't always get to see. On the first day, you'll arrive in Istanbul, where you'll meet your group and relax over a welcome dinner. The next day, you'll be guided on a walking tour in the heart of the city. Here, you'll visit the Blue Mosque and Basilica Cistern. Afterwards, you'll get to see a 17th century spice market and enjoy a traditional dinner at one of the best restaurants in Istanbul. The next day, you'll visit the world-famous Grand Bazaar. This is one of the largest covered markets in the world. Afterwards, you'll visit an ancient hilltop mosque where you'll get to take in some of the best views of the city. From there, the views only get better though, because you'll get to take a sunset ferry in the evening to visit this hip town that really showcases the Asian culture. On day 4, you'll visit the cities of Balat and Galata. These are some of the oldest neighborhoods in Istanbul. You'll also get to do a baklava tasting and have time to explore on your own if you choose. On day 5, the group will take a short flight to Cappadocia, and later on, you'll get to enjoy a sunset walk through the village. There's also an optional group dinner. You'll spend the next few days in Cappadocia exploring incredible sights. This area has a ton of volcanic rock. At Fairy Chimney Valley, you'll see the natural rock formations, but you'll also get to see an area that has become an open-air museum where churches and monasteries were actually carved into the volcanic rock. These few days, you'll also get to see castles, explore an underground city of caves, and even learn how to make traditional red clay pottery. On day 8, the group will take a short flight to the next city. After a tour, you'll head to the coast where you'll get to enjoy a home-cooked meal with local friends. The next day, you'll have a full day to explore ancient Greek ruins that date back to 133 BC. On day 10, it's kind of a free day. You may choose to book an excursion, have a traditional spa day, maybe relax on the beach. Later in the evening, everyone will meet back up for the last group dinner before everyone heads home the next day. If this sounds amazing to you, make sure you grab a spot on our May or October group trip to Turkey.